One of the most rewarding experiences I've had as a family law attorney was when I was able to win a hearing for one of my clients who had had her children taken away from her. And her children were given to the father in a default order after she'd been taking care of them their entire life. And they were away from her for months before she found us, and we were able to go in and file the correct motions and go to a full day hearing on the matter, and we got our children returned to her at the end of the day, and that was definitely the most rewarding day I've had so far as an attorney.
One individual that I can think of was a man who's a father of 3 little children. He had been in a gang when he was younger and had he had a criminal record, and he had gotten out of the gang and had turned his life around and was working in maintenance and supporting his family, his longtime girlfriend, and 3 children. Well, his longtime girlfriend passed away from cancer, and my client was left then with 3 young children to support on not a great salary. So we represented him in an expungement of his record. He was originally denied by the judge, and then we represent him in a motion to reconsider that denial of an expungement. And our client was granted that expungement, and it's just such a blessing to see him and how happy he is, and the hope that he has now moving forward.
The client was a great resource for me for strength, because she was so strong herself. I mean, she really believed in that she was going to get her children back, and she showed up for every meeting on time. She did everything I asked her to do. She's a very religious woman, so she prayed all the time about getting her kids back.
We see clients all the time where they're just so hopeful about the barriers that they're facing, where we get critical sometimes and discouraged, but our clients are so hopeful that it gives me strength too. So.
Your clients are of utmost importance to you, to your everyday practice.
I was telling our executive director yesterday that I woke up having nightmares about filling out expungement paperwork all night, several times actually.